Before you begin, make sure you have anti-static gloves. Be sure to wear the gloves when handling the LED modules, or you may damage them. Starting with the first cabinet column, note the label in the top cabinet. Match the label on the cabinet with the label on the box of associated LED modules. Open the box and remove Module 1. The module's number is on the label here. Make sure the module's orientation matches the label on the cabinet. Align the connector on the back of the module with the connector on the cabinet. Before installing the modules in a cabinet, make sure all the magnets are in their lowest position. Press evenly until the module is fully seated. All 4 magnets on the corners of the module should be in full contact with the magnets on the cabinet. Repeat this process for modules 2 through 8, installing them left to right. If a module needs depth adjustment, use the provided suction tool to remove it from the cabinet. Adjust the magnets. Reinstall the module and check the edges again. Proceed to the next cabinet, moving downward. Make sure the labels on the LED modules match the label on the cabinet. Repeat the installation process for each cabinet until the entire cabinet column is complete. Repeat this process for each cabinet column, moving from left to right. When you're finished, examine the edges of each module again. If a module needs depth adjustment, use the provided suction tool to remove it from the cabinet. Then, using the provided wrench, adjust the magnets. Rotate a magnet clockwise to lower the magnet, or counterclockwise to raise it. Reinstall the module and check the edges again. Repeat this process until the module is flush. Repeat this process for each uneven module.